Mom and children identified in Clarendon mass killing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaican government has condemned the gruesome killing of a 34-year-old woman and her 4 children at their home in Clarendon on Tuesday morning. The police have also identified a relative of the deceased as a person of interest who is now in the police custody. He has been identified as Rashawn Barrett, otherwise called Jet or Nick, who the police said frequents Cocoa Peace in Clarendon, Wilson Run in Trelawney, and Papine in St. Andrew. The police commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, was on the ground on Tuesday and provided this update to the media.
One who may be able to help us with the investigation. One Rashawn Barnett, OC Jet. He's also of Wilson Run Trelawney or Papine in St. Andrew. He's 23 years old and is a cousin of the deceased. So anyone who can assist us in having and locating him, as I say, at the moment he's a person of interest and we believe he can assist us.
Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security Dr. Harris Chang released the identities of the deceased in a statement yesterday. The woman has been identified as Kemisha Wright of Cocoa Peace in Clarendon and her 4 children, who are said to be 3 girls and a toddler. They have so far been identified as Kimani Simit, age 15, Shamari Simit, age 10, Kafani Simit, age 5, and a little toddler who goes by the name Kishona Henry, a 23-month-old boy. Chang described the act as an act of savagery and brutality of unequal proportion. The police have now taken the prime suspect into custody, and the police are set to lay charges against him once he goes through the question and answer segment. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.